And then I guess I'll just, oh, okay. Sings you a little song. Back to my channel and welcome to today's review. I had been thinking of trying the Amika thermal brush for a while, but it seemed to be kind of hard to get your hands on. And then I saw on TikTok, of all places, of course, that there was a dupe available on Amazon. So you guys know I had to order it and try it out. So that is what we are reviewing today. This is the CALISTA FAUXBLO thermal brush. Like I said, you can get this on Amazon. So I'm going to do a little tutorial slash demo, first impression review situation on this. I'm not going anywhere in particular. I'm just going to go run errands. So I figured that this would be a good time to try it out because I don't really care what my hair looks in case there's a little bit of a learning curve or this tool just ends up not working for me at all. But before we jump into it, I just want to welcome you if you're new to my channel. My name is Sarah. I create content on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Please subscribe if you enjoyed this video, hit the notification bell, and for everyone watching, make sure to like this video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you would try out this brush or if you have tried this one or the Amika brush. Definitely interested to know your guys' thoughts, but let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy. Here's what the carton packaging looks like. I mean, pretty self-explanatory, and that has some info about the brush on the back here. So this is, like I said, a thermal brush. It's a round brush design just like the Amika one, and just like the Amika one, it doesn't exactly blow out hot air. I know that that was a huge misconception with the Amika one. It's just a heated round brush, so it is meant to be used on dry hair. It is not like, what is that, the Dyson or the Shark ones where it like blows out hot air and it styles you that way. No, this is just, like I said, a heated round brush. Basically taking this brush and heating it up. I feel like this is gonna be great if you really love that like blowout type of look, but you're the type that just like isn't coordinated with that whole ordeal with holding the round brush and using the blow dryer at the same time. I do it from time to time and it's not like that hard of a process for me, but it is tiresome and it's time consuming and everything. So if this is a shortcut to get that look, I am all here for it. But this one has the same thing, like the bristles, all of that stuff. Oh, and it actually says it has 1,000 soft and firm bristles that work together to create the perfect styling tension while dual no tangle rows of teeth. Okay, so that is one thing I definitely want to test here, is to see if my hair gets tangled in it, because I'm very concerned that I'm gonna get all tangled up in this thing. But dual no tangle rows of teeth on both sides of the brush create voluminous, smooth, and shiny results. And then it also has fusion technology, which combines ionic and ceramic properties to create damage-free volume, frizz-free smoothness, and healthy shine. I feel like the damage-free is a little bit misleading. This is a hot tool, so use with discretion because heat is always going to cause some type of damage to your hair. But let's go ahead and unbox her. And this comes in 3 different colors. I think it's like, I forgot the name of it, but it's a peach and yellow one. Kind of like reminds me of like a pink lemonade almost, well, like a peach lemonade, but I liked this color combo. There's also like a dual tone blue one and then like a very, very bright pink one. Oh, okay, I see what it means by the tangle-free bristles. So there's one row of them, and then there's the other row, and then like I said, it's essentially this guy, but it's got a cord to heat it up. And then I guess this is the indicator to let you know when it's hot. On button, so there's no temperature control on this, which is fine. I don't think that this is something that would really need temperature control or anything like that. It also comes with a little heat glove if you use that. I usually don't. And then also a little guide, which I see on the back here. It's actually got instructions for how to do different, I guess, types of like blowouts. It tells you how to do it for short hair, which I feel like is very, very helpful, because if you've got short hair, I can definitely see how doing a blowout on short hair can seem daunting, so it's nice that they include that. Then you can also go for a more smooth and straight look, and then for like a classic blowout, which I'm just gonna kind of use this the way that I've seen people use it on TikTok and stuff, so we'll just see how it ends up looking. But let me go ahead and plug this in. It has a very, very long cord, which is nice. Oh gosh, there's 2 of these little twisties on here, dang it. And then I guess I'll just, oh, okay. Sings you a little song when you turn it on, so I'm just gonna let it heat up. So it's gonna blink right there as it's heating up, and then when it turns solid, that's when it's completely heated. It says about 1 to 2 minutes. Oh, it's also gonna do a little double beep when it's completely heated as well. Well, that's going, oh, I guess there we go. Anyways, I still need to prep my hair. So here's what my hair looks like right now. Actually, it looks not too bad. I just had it in braids last night, then I've had it in a claw clip all day. Let's start out with, first off, some dry shampoo, because my hair is 3 days old and oh my god, this thing's almost out. Like, is there even gonna be enough to do this? I need a new one this weekend. And then I'm gonna do a heat protectant. I'm gonna use the Dry Bar Hot Toddy heat protectant. I love this one because of the can. It just sprays such a like nice even mist. I'm gonna get all the way in there. Not all of that. Whew, sit. Then I'm just gonna brush through my hair really quick using the unbrush, you guys. Listen to TikTok. This brush, the best. It's so gentle on my hair, even though I'm like brushing pretty rough, it's still really gentle on my hair. I've definitely noticed less breakage, less fallout since I've been using it, and it's just like, it goes through so nicely. And look how shiny my hair is. Like, my hair is bleached, y'all. And I've only had this for a week and I've already seen such an improvement in my hair. Sorry, you guys are getting like a double review in one. 2 different viral TikTok hair products reviewed in one video. So I hope you guys are enjoying this bonus review. But yeah, I don't even have to be careful. I can just like kind of rough with this and it's still so gentle on my hair. Like, you can even hear it. It's like not pulling on my hair and like sounding as harsh as like if I use this brush, which I've already brushed through with it, which I've already brushed through with this brush, but like, do you hear that? It just sounds like it's nothing. And then this, barely anything. It's so lovely. Just want to make sure all of that dry shampoo has been worked in. Perfect. And that concludes the bonus review of this video. So heat protectant has been brushed through, dry shampoo has been applied and is soaking everything in. So I guess let's just dive into it. I'm not really one who typically sections my hair, but we're gonna do it just because I want to do the top by itself. Actually, now that I'm thinking about it, that's actually usually how I blow out my hair, the rare times that I do it with a round brush and a hairdryer. So let's do it the same way. So we'll section and secure, and let's start down here. So it's to take like a 1 to 2 inch section of hair, and then like I said, I'm gonna do this the way that I have seen people do it, where they just brush it through and curl up and brush through and twist up, and then at the end just curl it a couple times. Oh, okay, she's cute, she's bouncy. And again, this is like, I guess more, I don't know if this would be considered like the sleeker, straighter style. Let's just keep working in sections. What I will say so far is that I do like the fact that this doesn't feel too hot against me, because there's a lot of the times I'm using like my hot tools and they are like radiating so much heat, especially with the fact that it's the summertime right now. It just drives me up a wall. But this one's not too hot. Okay, I would say curl the ends once it releases the hair, because you'll feel it. Like, it'll feel like there's a bunch of hair there, and then you'll feel it release where it's just holding the ends. That's where I would twist. But what's nice about this is it's really good at moving so that you don't get the cord all tangled. So that's super awesome. And obviously, you guys, I don't have the Amika one, so I can't really tell you how good this is against the Amika one. All we're really doing in here is just seeing how good this is itself. But again, I have seen that this is a dupe for the Amika one, so if you want to kind of compare and contrast, I would search for someone who did a review on the Amika one and like compare it against this review to kind of see which one might be the better fit for you. I will say this is going by so much faster. Okay, the back's a little bit hard. Oh my gosh, I'm getting caught. Okay. I will say though, this has been so much easier than like blow drying my hair with a round brush and trying to get a blowout that way, because by now, had I been doing that, I literally would have only gotten through like this much hair and my arms would have been in so much pain. They would have been hurting so much. But this has like literally taken maybe 5 minutes so far. But I'm gonna keep going and finish the bottom section and then check back in with you guys before we do the top section. Quick check in here. This side is definitely a bit of a learning curve. I need to redo the bottom there. The angle to do this is so awkward with your non-dominant hand. Should I be doing it this way? Yeah, I should. Okay. I don't know why. I was trying to like do it all backwards. Oh, that's why. Because it's harder to pull my hair out this way. That's why I was doing it the other way. Still kind of came out uniform. But yeah, the angle on this side is so much more difficult. This is easier to hold it this way, and then when on the other side I hold it that way. Okay, this is a smaller piece. But yeah, a little bit of a learning curve. Like I said, on your non-dominant side. What the hell is happening? I can't. My brain is not working to figure out what side it should be on. Okay, and then I'm gonna redo the bottom where the hair here. Okay. Anyways, so that is the bottom, looking sleek and bouncy. Let's go into the next section. I'm only gonna section out like the very top here to go last. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. Even with the complication of having to figure out how to maneuver my non-dominant side, this is still so much faster and easier and less laborsome than doing a blowout with a blow dryer and a round brush. Like, I would definitely wear a blowout hairstyle so much more now that I have this. And then so far it's kind of pulled out like a couple strands, but not anything dramatic, just like a piece here or there. Not anything more damaging than any other tools that I own. Actually, probably less than the other tools that I own, so that's definitely a plus. It does feel relatively gentle, definitely more gentle than when I am using a round brush and a blow dryer. Also because the motion on this is a lot easier. I feel like I'm not yanking on my hair as much because I'm not as frustrated. Like, this is just an easier and smoother process. I guess that's so much faster. Oh my gosh. This may have just changed my life. Oh, I should brush this piece out before I put it in. It's a little bit tangled. Yeah, make sure you brush your hair before you use this. I mean, same thing when you use like a regular round brush, you know, like how easy knots and tangles can get caught in those. So same situation here. But yeah, make sure your hair has been brushed out before you go in with this. Oh my god, this is making me want to get that butterfly cut. Maybe when my hairdresser comes back, I'll ask her to do it. Because I don't have another appointment to touch up my hair with these roots for like another month and a half because my hairdresser is out on maternity leave. There's the first side. I'm gonna do the other side and then we'll come back for the top because my camera's overheating. Now finally the top section. I'm gonna split this in two, and I do still kind of have bangs, but I have them pretty hidden, so I don't know. We'll see how this works, if it separates out my bangs at all. Just like you guys see, I'm gonna push all the hair forward, split it into two sections. I might do three sections actually because my hair is pretty thick. So for this one, I'm gonna go on the back and I'm gonna let it sit here because I want some height, and then pull it through, pull it again, pull it out, roll it. I can't see what I'm doing, by the way. I'm like cousin it right now, but pull it through and then just do the ends. Okay, flip it back and repeat, rinse and repeat. Again, grab it once, kind of hold it near the crown of my head just to kind of lock in some volume. Hold, pull through. One more time. And then curl the ends. Okay. Pop her back. Okay. Then this is where, look at my hair. This is where I'm very curious about the bangs, but I'm gonna go forward on this one. Same technique, I'm just going forward to kind of get that swoop effect. Feels pretty warm near my forehead. And curl. Cool. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this goes. Fluff everything. Get my actual part. Okay, bombshell. Y'all. It's like that Victoria's Secret model hair with like so much less effort. I'm just gonna fix some areas right here and go in and do some touch-ups. I feel like this could get a little bit more of a curl in the front, so I'm just actually gonna hold it curled for a little bit and I'm just gonna pull it through. Yeah, that gives it a little bit more of a curl, but oh, who is she? Bangs are still hidden, which is fine because that's what I want to actually do. I want to try to swoop the bangs out. Oh, yep, perfect. Oh my gosh, love. Like, oh my god, this may be like my new favorite hair tool. Obsessed. Like, look at the volume on my hair. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm obsessed. I love it. I'm just gonna finish off my hair with some conditioning mist. This is the Kenra Shine Spray. Just to give me that shininess, smooth it out a little bit. And I don't do hairspray because my hair's bleached, so it holds, but okay, I'm obsessed. If you guys love to do a blowout hairstyle, but you hate like the effort and the time and just all of that stuff, definitely try this out. Again, this is supposedly a dupe for the Amika thermal brush. I can't vouch for that, but I mean, they're the exact same concept, so I'm pretty positive this works the same way for a little less money. I'm just gonna turn it off. And it sings you a song. I love that. But I can't even emphasize how obsessed I am with my hair right now. Like, I feel like $1,000,000 and I love it. So I definitely recommend. I will have this brush linked in the description bar down below, along with just a general link to my Amazon storefront that's full of all of my Amazon favorites, beauty favorites included. Like I said, this will be in there as well, so make sure to check that out. But yeah, if you don't want to shell out for the Amika one, or you're just having a hard time getting your hands on it, definitely check out the CALISTA one. So just a quick check-in here. I did my hair probably about 10 hours ago or so, and here is what it looks like 10 hours later. It still looks pretty nice. Curls at the bottom aren't quite as defined as they were earlier, but it's still got a lot of bounce, still very sleek, and still looks like a blowout. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little update so that you guys can get an idea of how it wears throughout the day. But also too, this was my first time using it. Who knows, practice makes perfect, and maybe the next few times I style with the thermal brush, the blowout look will last even longer. But anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, hit the like button, and let me know your guys' thoughts, or if you guys have any questions that I may not have answered. But I love you guys, and I will see you very soon again in my next video. Bye.